Welcome to Splash TV, you guys. It's episode 11. Can you believe it already? Yes, honey. This is episode 11 Splash TV. We're going to be bringing you today this makeup DIY that I found, that I seen on TikTok. Yes, it was so cute, simple, easy. Oh my God, 1, 2, 3. And I only spent a total of $6 on everything, guys. $6 on a makeup DIY organizer. So we're going to start off with the materials. Obviously, I have a glass in my hand. And yes, this will be a voiceover. These are the acrylic gemstones. I use these for a lot of things. They're multi-use. And then I also use the acrylic plates a lot. They're so good for hosting and just other occasions. But yes, they're very durable. And I purchased 2 today. And then you're going to need glue sticks as well, of course, as a glue gun. And then last but not least, we have these adhesive bling wrap strips, guys. These are so good. They adhere very well to this plastic, and we're just gonna hop right into how to get into it. So if you're interested, keep watching. So obviously the first thing first is I'm gonna grab the glass and I'm gonna turn it upside down, facing downward toward the acrylic plate. Okay, and then ideally I'm going to stack the other acrylic plate on top. We're gonna hot glue gun it, and then you can put whatever in the center of it. You don't have to take off the stickers for this because they will be covered, but obviously you want to put the glue around the perimeter of the glass. So we'll start off by doing that. And this is super duper easy, guys. Like, it literally took me, like, if I didn't have to explain or uploaded a YouTube video, it took me like not even 10 minutes. So it was really, really easy. But yeah, so what you're gonna do is just firmly press it on there and hold it just for a couple seconds to ensure that it's on there securely. And then what you're gonna do, just to ensure that it is on there, you're gonna turn it upside down, is what I did, and just kind of picked it up. You see how it just stuck that quick? It's very, very easy. So on to the second part. We're just gonna hot glue gun this tray right at the bottom of the glass, well, technically the top, since we flipped it over. You just want to put a substantial amount of glue so that it does stick evenly on all sides. And you're just gonna simply put the glue on there, and then you're going to press down firmly and make sure that it's centered. And so that's what you'll see me do here. And voila, there you go. We have the base foundation of your makeup DIY organizer. This is such a cute organizer, guys. Wait till I get done with it. We're gonna move along right with the adhesive bling strip. So I'm so glad that I went to my Dollar Tree. They had these, because usually when I go they don't. So I was pleasantly surprised that they did. But I'm just gonna, you really don't have to measure it because it doesn't fit around the whole entire glass. You'll have to cut out just the strip to fill in that part that doesn't really cover it. So I'm just gonna use what I have and obviously peel back the adhesive. And yes, honey, that adhesive is legit. It sticks very, very well. I was kind of concerned by it being from Dollar Tree, but don't be sleep on Dollar Tree, period. Okay, so on this part again, we're just going to turn it this way so that you guys can see. You guys, this was really, really fun and easy for me. If you're just on a budget and you don't want to spend a ton on DIY organizers or organizers in general, guys, they can be quite expensive. So like if you're on a budget, Dollar Tree is good. They're legit. You guys gotta use your brain and kind of be creative with it, and this is definitely a way to do that. So that's how it looked. It adhered just like that. We're gonna cut the strip out later on the other part that's kind of missing, where it didn't go all the way around the glass, but we're just gonna get the acrylic gemstones and place them in the middle. These are so cute. Oh my God, I did a DIY with these and they look like diamonds. And I had put LED lights on my showcase and it was so pretty. Oh my God, I will have to upload that video so you all can see. But just moving on. Yeah, that's the part that's missing. We'll have to cover that like I said before. But this is what the gem's like. I didn't empty the whole thing. I just wanted to kind of see really how it looked. But we're just going to start going around with the bling strip around the perimeter and obviously on the sides and at the bottom as well. So guys, I did measure it. I'm just going to simply take my scissors and then we're going to cut small strips all the way until everything is covered. We're going to do the big circle and then we're going to do small strips in between as well as the inner circle, and then we'll go straight to the bottom. So what I'm going to do is just simply measure. That's what you see me doing here. And then I'm also going to kind of speed up the video after I show you exactly how it is. It's pretty simple. You cut it, then you peel the sticky back off, and then that's pretty much it, guys. That's all to it. I say this took the most time out of everything, but other than that, it was a piece of cake. So we're just going to cut this small strip so I can show you how it looks. And it was super duper easy to cut, guys. I mean, like, this was the quickest DIY I think I've done in a long time. And then we're just gonna measure it just like that. And then what you do is cut up and down, and then you're gonna cut across. And the good part is about this too, you cannot mess up. If it's too much, you can always cut off. If it's not enough, you can always add. So I'm just going to simply peel it back, like I said, after I measured, and you're just going to simply apply it, and you just want to press down, and voila, there you go, it's done. We're going to keep doing this, repeat these steps all the way around, and then we'll go to the bottom. I'm going to pre-cut these strips. I think it's easier for me now that I have the first one, and then we're just going to speed up the video so you all can see. So you guys, this is how it looks so far. As you can see, it's super duper easy. We're going to simply continue and hit the bottom, and then we're going to just cut. I found the easier way instead of doing it individually. I'm just going to cut up and down however many strips I need, and then we are going to cut across one time. So what you see me doing, as you can see so far, this is how it looks. I'm going to go around the top and bottom of the circle to kind of give it its finished look. So that's what you guys will see me do here. So I'm just gonna cut it. I've already kind of measured it. I really don't have to because I know the first strip isn't gonna cover the whole circle. So you will have to cut pieces, but it's definitely still easy to do. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So simply on this part, you're gonna see me overlap the other rhinestone that I went in the center with on the other part. You're just gonna simply overlap it. You can barely tell. And we're just gonna simply press firm and twist at the same time. Obviously I ran out on that part, but you're just gonna cut the widest or the longest part so that I can have enough to go around, and you'll just keep doing that until it is covered. So if you guys are liking this video so far, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Hit that bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Again, my page or my YouTube channel is based on beauty, business, DIYs. I do food, I do all kind of stuff, travel. I'm just gonna kind of mix it up until I figure out exactly what my niche is, but this is the majority actually of what I love to do. I am a business owner. I'm a small business owner. I have my brand Splash Effects. I do a lot of stuff with that. Again, I'm a brand new channel, but slowly but surely I'm getting there, so you guys bear with me. But I am excited to bring this to you. For years people have been telling me to get a YouTube, and I just finally buckled down and said, you know what, I need to get a YouTube. So here I am. I love it, and I hope you guys enjoy as well. So as you can see, this is the final look. We're gonna cut that little side part we said we was gonna come back to. I'm just gonna measure it, cut it, and then we're gonna slap it on there, and then we will be back with the finished product. So this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, it looks so cute. I'm going to show a picture of how it looks with the things in it. Again, if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, bye bye.